Today I'm going to be talking about a topic that is very important whether you're a content creator here on YouTube or a business owner, and that is setting goals for your YouTube channel. I'm going to be talking about what type of goals that you can set and how you're going to meet them. First, I want to talk about why setting goals is actually important. Goals give you sort of like direction and purpose behind your actual channel, and they give you like a roadmap for what you want to do so you can actually stay on track with what your goals are and so you don't get sidetracked. So whether you want more subscribers or more watch time hours or, to get more clients from YouTube, setting goals will help you stay on track. So there are like 5 main types of goals that you can set here on YouTube. And that is subscriber goals, viewership goals, monetization goals, engagement goals, and watch time hour goals, if I didn't say that already. Now, honestly, a lot of the goals are kind of interconnected, but each one serves a different purpose for your channel and mean something different to everybody. Now, once you write down and pick out which goal you're trying to meet, I don't want you to just write that goal down and do absolutely nothing to get there. I want you to actually put some action behind those goals, and I'm going to tell you a few ways you can do that right now. Number 1 is subscriber goals. What can you do to get more subscribers? First, are you actually telling your viewers to subscribe to you in the video? Now, I remember when I first started, I don't know why, but I didn't do this. Maybe I forgot, or maybe I thought it was cringy, but it is also very important to like actually tell them. Also, do they even know what they're subscribing for? When they come to your channel, is it clear what you do and how you can help them? If not, you can fix this in a few different ways. One, you can put a welcome video on your channel that just sits there at the top. So when they come to your channel, even if it is, a lot going on, they can still see exactly what you're trying to do and what type of journey you're taking them on. You could also tell them to subscribe not at the end of the video, but somewhere in the beginning. Now, I know sometimes we want to put it at the end because we see that's what a lot of YouTubers do, but if we really think about it, not everybody actually reaches to the end of your video. So if you put it in the beginning and give a short explanation of why they subscribed, and when I say short, I mean under 20 seconds because you don't want them to bounce off, that may help get your subscribers up. You can also promote your channel in offline communities that you're a part of. So let's say that you are a Christian content creator. Are you a part of a church or, some type of religious group? And are there some people in there that could really benefit from your content? Talk to them. Let them know that you have a YouTube channel. Don't be shy. I know we want to sometimes hide the fact that we have a YouTube channel, but I promise you, if these people really like you and they love what you're doing, they're going to want to support you. Another example is Facebook groups or even work communities. I remember I have a friend and she said that she gained podcast listeners just by putting the link to her podcast inside of her email footer. Now, that's smart. Number 2 is viewership and watch time hour goals. Now, you can't control exactly how much somebody wants to watch your video, but you can really try your hardest to make sure that it's engaging and that they actually want to click on it. The first thing that you can do is try to improve your click-through rates. So that is your titles and your thumbnails. That is arguably more important than the actual video itself. Does your title and your thumbnail make people curious and they want to click on it? Now, if you have a pretty new channel, those click-through rates is going to be kind of low, because I remember when I first had my new channel, and you can go back and watch my YouTube journey videos, but the click-through rate was really low, like under 1%. And that's because the majority of my videos was being shown through suggested videos. But now that I have more subscribers, and now that YouTube is putting my videos on the browse features or the homepage, the click-through rate is much higher. It's more like 3 or 4%, sometimes even 5% click-through rate. Another tip is to keep the consistency of your branding colors for your thumbnails. This is very important because when you post a new video, having consistent colors and branding, it's just really easy for people to spot your content. If you're changing the colors up every single time that you post a new video, it's going to be really hard for the people who really do enjoy to see your content to actually find it. and to actually know that it's you. I've also noticed that live streams do particularly well for me with watch time hours. Like 2 or 3 of my live streams is actually in the top 10 of my videos for my watch time hours. It has like 19, 20 hours. And live streams also get pushed out to the homepage when you're actually going live. So that can be another way to get subscribers as well. I'm so close to 4,000 watch time hours that I'm actually considering doing 30 days of live streaming because I think that may get me there. And honestly, that's easier than shooting and editing and promoting a YouTube video every single day. The third goal is engagement goals. Some ways that you can get people to engage is to actually ask them. Tell them to comment. Ask them what they think about what you're saying in your YouTube video after you said something that was maybe controversial, or maybe you're introducing something that a lot of people haven't heard of yet. Ask them for their opinions. Also, use the community tab. I personally love using the community tab because I'm able to actually see who is actually subscribed to me and like what they need help with. Again, you can also go live, even if you're not doing anything. People love watching people do absolutely nothing. I don't know what it is. A great example of this is the TikTok live streams of the girl that likes to sleep, and also the mukbang videos where people are eating. Like, people watch those all the time. The fourth goal is monetization goals. Now, keep in mind, you're gonna have to do a combination of things to actually achieve this. There are 2 ways that you can get monetized and become a YouTube partner on YouTube. You can get 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch time hours. That unlocks the first tier. And then the second tier is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours. There's also a way that you can do it with YouTube Shorts, but that number is very high and I forgot what it was. I found that with my one viral video, that brought in the majority of my subscribers and my watch time hours. But there are other ways that you can monetize your channel even before you hit those watch time hours. I've even done it. I've made probably over $5,000 on YouTube before I actually got monetized. And you can do that by selling templates, courses, services. There's a whole list of things you can do. So yeah, ultimately getting monetized by YouTube, you're either gonna have to get more subscribers or you're either gonna have to get more watch time hours. Now, I am hosting a free workshop this weekend that's going to show you how you're going to monetize your channel before 4,000 watch time hours. If you're interested, click on the link in the description box. But yeah, if you made it here to the end, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe because next week I'm going to be going over what happens once you become a YouTube partner and you reach that 500 subscriber, 3,000 watch time hours requirement. And yeah, I'll see you next week.